go. This is part of what we're doing today, everyone, with our yard sale. We've got, what do you guys say, about 5-6 people doing the yard sale? And maybe 7 or 8, depends on when and if they come here. We've got Jordan is looking at a water pressure sprayer. Make sure that's ready to go. We've got everything here, as you're going to see. First off, we've got a bunch of clothing today. This is our first day on Thursday. We've been pretty busy. I won't say we've done super amounts of business, but it is very, very overcast. So we didn't bring all that we could bring because we are afraid of possible rains. So tomorrow's supposed to be a good day, nice weather. So we hope to see you tomorrow or Friday, and we will be doing this Friday and Saturday. And we're just passing through here. Just going to do a quick walkthrough all the way around. Okay. Oh, I'm just doing it here. I'll do it again tomorrow because we'll be having more stuff in tomorrow. Every day is going to have something new. There's that. Let me bring you over here. Some of these boxes are put together so that if people want to buy the entirety of the box, you can. If you want to take stuff out of the box, you can. We will probably have another 2 or 3 people join us in this yard sale this week, here the next day or 2 or both. I'm just trying to give everyone a brief overview of what we have to offer here. And let me do one more. All right, that's what we got today. I'll show you some tomorrow, guys.